Hey guys, for today I'm going to show you how I make my press-ons last me about 2 to 3 weeks and make them look like I have acrylic nails on. The key ingredient is how you prepare your nails before you apply the press-ons. Now you definitely can use a file for this, however I do like this nail drill from Macart. I've been using it for over 2 years now. I cannot rave enough about it. So the most important part is exfoliating the nail bed before you apply your press on. That will give you an extra grip to have for the press on to stick on and last you longer. I do it very gently at the lowest set. The next step would be to push the cuticle away, and you can do with any tools that you have available. However, I do love to use the nail drill for that as well, and for this procedure I'm using the needle head from this set that comes with the Macart drill. And I am gently going around and cleaning it up and getting it ready for the press-ons. Next, I like to go in with a dehydrator and then with a primer. Now the next step I like to do as a layer of protection, I'm going to add 2 base coats and cure it for 60 seconds. That acts up as a barrier, so in case you rip off your nails, it doesn't damage your nail bed. You don't really have to do this step, but honestly, I feel like this gives me a little extra protection to my nails. And I don't know, maybe it's the reason that it lasts so long. So once you put 2 layers, you are ready for the next step. And the next step is getting ready for the nail glue. I use it from the Macart as well. Been using their glue for a year now, and it never failed. Once again, I'm buffing the surface of the base. That gives that extra grip for the glue to grip on and last longer. And your nails are ready for the final step, to put your press-on into the nails. Won't believe these press-ons are actually $2, but we're gonna make them look bougie. Make sure that you are size them and they fit your nail bed perfectly. Make sure to cut the tip of the nail glue. I do like to buff the inside of my press-ons as well, and I'm going in with a ceramic barrel ball bit from the drill kit. It is actually included as well. Now we're going to apply the glue on the press-ons and on your nail bed. Leave it for 10 seconds and then press it really hard together and keep it pressed for about 30 to 60 seconds. I do this every time I feel like my nails need a break from the acrylics or any other product, so it works every time and it lasts long too.